Today, I'll show you a new money-making method where you learn $2 every 30 seconds just by watching video ads. So first off, I want you to head over to this website. This website is 100% free. You don't need any investment to get started with this. You can earn money from this website by watching and clicking on advertisements. So basically, you can see it here, most of your online activities can make you extra money. You can do surveys, complete offers, refer friends, engage in contests, and much more activities. However, I want you to concentrate on watching and clicking on advertisements, considering you can earn real money by clicking on different advertisements and visiting different websites. Now the site is incredibly open about all of their payments, so you can view their total payout here. Currently, this website has approximately 192,000 registered members, with a total payout of $39,830.08. They even show the names of their members who had recently taken in withdrawals, together with their locations and mode of payments right here. So you have a variety of payment options when you cash out your money, such as Perfect Money, Payer, Airm, and Faucet Pay, to name a few. With that said, I want you to comment down below and let me know what payment method you prefer, and I'll try to make videos about that. Now, I'll show you all of the payment proof. Many people have already cashed out their earnings, and as you noticed, they came from all over the world as indicated by the flags beside their usernames. And you can also see the total amount paid here. Without any prior experience, anyone can do this. And later on, I'll provide you with numerous examples on how to increase your earning potential. Now all you have to do is simply click on this register button to create your free account. That will then take you to this page where you need to fill out your full name, email address, username, and password. Next, enter your birth year and birthplace. Tick I'm not a robot, and agree to their terms of service, and then just click on register. The leaderboard will be the first thing you see when logging into your account. They'll display the highest earner for you to see. Take this one as an example. You can see here his username, his country of residence, together with his overall earnings amounting to over $1,500. These are all individuals from various nations who are capable of making hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month. And all they do is something that you can also do. Now when you head over to your account, you can see a variety of ads to click on, with the banner ads being the most popular. If you click on any of these banner ads, it will take you to a random website. Remain for 30 seconds on that website. You don't need to register or make any purchase. Now most people won't do anything after clicking on the banner ads and heading over to the website. They don't browse elsewhere on the page. They simply remain there. Thus, make sure you avoid making these mistakes because ultimately, they won't make any money from those ads. That's why I want you to browse the website. You need to look around because if you don't do anything, they'll assume that you're a robot and won't put any money into your account. That's why it's very crucial after heading over to the website that you move around, scroll up and down, and stay there for a short while. Now I suggest, once you move a little, you can just hold your position for 5 to 10 seconds before starting to move once more. By doing that, you can prove them that you're a real person and not a robot, so they can then credit money to your account after 30 seconds. Now once you're finished with one banner ad, you can just click on another. On this website, there are a ton of different banner ads that you can click to begin earning money. By the way, this website is called Adaclicks.net. So before we go any further, I'll give you some time to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you've liked it thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment down below. Now another way of making money with this website is through watching daily, promotion, standard, micro, and exchange ads. These ads are clickable ads that you can watch for roughly 10 seconds to get paid. This specific method is being employed by these people in order to increase their income. For instance, if you click on this advertisement, you will be taken to this random website that to prove that you're not a robot. All you have to do again is to stay here for at least 10 seconds while scrolling around. Once the 10 seconds are up, you'll earn money and you can repeat this process over and over again. Now I want to share with you a bonus tip that nobody else has mentioned. Make sure that you watch at least 5 daily ads per day and you'll be able to multiply your income by tenfold. Considering you can unlock more standard ads, which will pay you 10 times as much once you have completed those 5 daily ads. Now the amount of time you must wait varies based on the type of ad you are clicking, from 10 seconds to 30 seconds, typically. The longer you wait, the more money you will make. Now if you find watching ads boring, you can choose to earn money on this website through watching long-form contents, like those YouTube videos you binge watch every night. All you have to do is click on Earn Money right up here and select Lootably Daily Offers. That will then take you to this page where you can see all of the available offers that you can take. So we have here surveys, one-click, apps, videos, purchases, and quizzes. But today we will be focusing on watching videos because it's the simplest thing to do, and I know most of us love binge watching videos. So just click on videos. After that, we will land on this page where we can choose from these video categories. So we have here videos about food, DIY videos, and random videos. So just choose the one you like. If I select food, for example, I will be taken to this website. This website is actually quite comparable to YouTube, where you can watch different kinds of videos. But the one and only major difference between the two is that this website will pay us just by watching video. Now you'll need to sign up for a free account to proceed, as you can see right here. To do so, enter your email address, create a password, and just click on sign up. After creating a Ludibly account, you'll be brought to this page where you can watch all of the videos in the food category. This website allows you to watch as many videos as you want. Now if I click this one right here, for example, I'll be taken to another page where I'll have to watch the video for at least 60 seconds in order to earn money. To give you a bonus tip on how to maximize your income, you can watch as many videos as you like on different tabs at the same time. That way you'll be able to watch a lot of videos while doing other things. Thus, you'll be able to earn the most amount of money in the least amount of time and effort. You can also watch more videos by clicking on all of these videos on the right-hand side. Another bonus tip is to lower the video quality by clicking the video settings. To save data, I'd like you to set it to the lowest video quality available. As a result, you'll be able to watch as many 60-second videos as possible while earning the most amount of money. These bonus tips are quite effective, and you can use them right away to double, triple, or even quadruple your earnings in a single day on this website. Now I'll show you another exclusive tip, and no one else is talking about this. And this will essentially make you hundreds of dollars on this website. Now again, on the leaderboard, you can see the top earners as well as the total earnings. And most of these earnings, roughly 80%, come from referral commissions. So by merely sending others to this website, you can be one of these top earners on the leaderboard and achieve the same result. To attain that, I want you to visit dimeforum.com. This is a platform where people talk about various aspects of making money online. You can join for free, and there are a lot of activities on this forum. A lot of people are posting on this forum since many people visit this website to look for free information, which generate a ton of free traffic. Now, just for example, if you were to search, "How can I make money online?" you can find various people asking the same question on this platform. As you can see, people are asking questions and looking for ways to make money. You can also see that other users are posting their responses to these questions. For instance, if you scroll down below, you too can type a response to this particular post in the space provided. Now, this is where you'll put your AdaClicks referral code. You only need to keep doing this to acquire lots of referrals on dimeforum.com. You can simply direct targeted individuals who are searching on how to make money online to this website, adaclicks.net. For sure, they will be grateful to you if you show them a platform where they can earn money online for free. And just give them your referral code. That it's a win-win situation. They learn how to make money and you earn some referral commission. That is why one of the finest ways to earn money on AdaClicks, aside from watching advertisements, is through referrals. If anything, I'll say that the only downside to using this website is the fact that the money you learn with these won't be decent enough. And that means you still need more side income. To solve that, watch this video right here to know how to make even more money just by watching movies.